ever so slightly see your hand go by on the edge of the frame, but watch.
I don't like the shot. I'd rather have some angle where you can see like the head. So that's kind of like makes shadows creepier.
What makes shadows creepy?
Well, shadows in general are kind of creepy. I like upper body.
Ah.
I have to move them.
A shoe. The shoe has dropped.
Go over here.
I could track behind you. Like track the shadow behind you and keep the camera behind you the whole time.
Okay.
Oh, that's loosening it. Loosens and tightens the opposite way.
So what are you trying to do right now?
We're gonna do a track shot.
I just said. I said I'm loosening them, and I said I'm gonna try to follow it from behind.
Okay, but
That was our
Dimitri, say it again for the audience.
Yeah, that's what.
Carry on, carry on.
Okay, wait.
Dun, 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 dun.
Walk up. Your head's no. It needs to be. It'll need to be higher and more on line because it's making the head of your shadow way too high up. Because I can't see it and track it or anything.
What do these buttons do?
I thought you meant like you'd follow me up the stairs.
Oh, that's the photo button.
No. Because then
There's no other buttons on the camera.
I can't get enough of the shadow from back here. So following you up the stairs. So
Oh, that's okay. Let's do that.
this is too high.
Maybe you might have to be a light technician.
A light technician. Why don't we get Brandon here?
No, it needs to be on a steady surface.
Yeah, and if there's one thing my hands are, it's steady. Due to cannibalism.
Yeah. It just needs to be higher up to even your shadow out.
So you're saying we should raise the light?
Yeah.
Interesting.
But you can't have someone hold it because then
What if we get some books to raise it up?